If you are in need of undercar maintenance in Bedford Park, Illinois, you have come to the right place. Performance Auto Repair Experts provides comprehensive undercar maintenance services, including brake inspections, suspension checks, and exhaust system repairs, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly and safely. Our skilled technicians use state-of-the-art equipment to diagnose and address any issues beneath your vehicle, promoting longevity and performance. Don't wait until it's too late. Call Performance Auto Repair Experts today for a repair estimate and let us help keep your car in top condition.